Hi, hello, welcome back. Let me get started, and I feel you're going to help. This information is going to help you. The words I spoke are spiritual, and they assist you in the crossing over process. It may be, I'm not sure if it's applicable to those who haven't had a near death experience, but let's jump right in. I have a question for you, gentlemen and gentlewomen. Do you have thoughts racing in your brain? These thoughts that are racing in your brain, can they be stopped or lessened? And the mind becoming aware, meditative, and peaceful, is that a possibility? The answer is yes. Yes, absolutely. There is a current necessity to recall placed on society. Alzheimer's is shunned due to the helplessness it entails. But what if we take out the lack of self-esteem that accompanies the state of Alzheimer's, of being in an Alzheimer's state that accompanies it, and reverse aging instead? What are you talking about, Sana? You must be wondering, what are you talking about? You are talking about an abstract frequency. That is exactly what it is. It's about letting go from the concrete mentality shaped on us by society. Your cell phone reminder app, reminder app ding on your cell phone is sufficient. And instead of recalling all the things you have to do and the negative emotions and remembering things that are harmful to your health, because negativity is energy, and that's a negative frequency energy. Accompany this with a journal, an open-minded journal. Journaling helps, and if you want to express how your day went, then you should try avoid the usage of negative emotions. Instead, replace all the negative emotions with bad and sad. And that's it. She was feeling anxious, bad. She was feeling overwhelmed, sad. Like that, bad and sad are sufficient emotions to know they're not harmful. It's a brain transformation you are learning with me through my YouTube videos. Let's forget the topic of anger. It is a negative frequency emotion. Nothing goes good and when we have anger. You damage your attraction energy and have a relationship and harm a relationship rather. Letting go is ally here. There is often a helpless attitude involved, a sort of fear due to the inability to stop the abuser, be it a family member or a colleague, etc. Next topic. Do you feel bad because of something you read, feel, or heard? Feeling bad is addictive, but it is on the same frequency as it is on a similar frequency as getting angry. It is on a lesser tone of severity. However, when you feel bad, the reasons are diverse. Some are stemmed from empathy, uh, and it is thus not inherently a low frequency energy, according to spiral wisdom. They further express how empathy is a complex emotional response that can vary in intensity and depth. If you do bad actions and feel bad rather than seeing someone suffering, do bad actions, you feel bad because someone is suffering, and feeling bad because that they're suffering, that's a negative frequency. And it's dependent on the circumstances also. You inherit different beliefs before your awakening journey, so I'm here to help you undo those beliefs. And also get your hands on my ebook, 100 Eternal Life Guidance. It's filled with wisdom that I gained from my higher self. I call my higher self universal energy, Allah, God, Buddha, Hindu God, Greek God, the higher energy, a higher energy force, and that can be multiple energies here that who are viewing me. So you're welcome on this channel, to watch these videos. I'm not sure if I have a channel yet, but I am happy to be here with you and to share my wisdom. Okay, that's it. I hope you got some more awareness from my video. So I wish you all the best. Take care. Bye bye.